Are your images looking flat and boring even after hours of editing? What if I told you that in just a few clicks, you can completely transform your any photos into something vibrant and eye-catching using Canva's color effects? Hey, this is Saif from Digi Whisper. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your images pop, whether it's social media, presentation, or your next viral post. Stick around because by the end of this video, your images will never look dull again. How to add color effects of an image in Canva. First, get your image in the Canva canvas. So this is my image, and let's say I want to add a blackish tone or black color tone in this image. How I can do this? The first method is very straightforward. Add a rectangular shape here, press R, and now adjust it with the full image, and now just change the color, what type of color tone you want to get in this image. Let's say I want to add black color tone, and now decrease the transparency level. So see, this way you can add color effects of an image. Let's say I want to add red color effect. So here you see this is now a red color effects of an image. So I can even add gradient color effect in an image. How I can do this? So I am removing this shape now, and let's say go to the element gradient, and here you will find different types of gradient effect, but we need to select a gradient effect which is completely free. So I think this is free, but this gradient effect is not editable color, but some of the gradient effects color is editable. So in this case, this element's color effects is not editable. So if I want it, I can just use it in my design this way. But let's say I want to get an editable gradient effect. So click here, just you need to search one by one. This is not also editable. Yeah, this is editable. So I can edit this effect. Want to adjust it with my whole design, and let's say want to change the color here in black, and I can increase or decrease the transparency level. I can give this effect or this effect, and let's say I want to find a better gradient effect so that I can give it to the whole of my image. I want to get a free editable gradient effect. So this is editable. I can edit this gradient effect. So here I can change the color. I can adjust the color. In this way, you can add gradient effect of an image using Canva free account. That's all for now. Make sure to check the pinned comment and video description for all the useful links and resources. And if you want more beginner-friendly Canva tutorials like this, subscribe to the Digi Whisper channel.